Well, a little different today. Yeah, she's gonna sit in here in the shop, and we're gonna drive the Cummins today. It's like 34 degrees today. We've had a 20 degree, well, actually, 40 degree swinging temperature. So we got a quick errand to run. I gotta fold my other mirror out. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't driven this old truck for probably, I don't know, a month. I got a quarter tank of fuel, and I gotta go get fuel, and she needs a bath. But we're not gonna give it a bath. $288,000 on this 09 Dodge Cummins. We're gonna go get some fuel and we're gonna hit the road. Yeah, I have a ghost trailer. Not really. Everybody, you know, with these want to make fun of us Dodge owners about, you know, folding our mirrors up and we're not pulling a trailer or whatever. But to be honest with you, I see better with them up like that than I do folded down, because when I drive a freight truck, that's the way my mirrors are, and I'm just used to it. So I guess you just got to be there to understand. I just stopped at the post office. Didn't have nothing in there. If anybody wants to send anything, the description of the video will have my post office box and address. So yeah, I'm going over to St. Joseph, Missouri, to the Patee House Museum. Miss Linda is at the house. She gets pretty good headaches once in a while, and she was hurting pretty bad this morning. Of course, she was up probably an hour before I got up. Asked her, you know, I told her, I said, take a shower, get dressed, get rid of that headache real quick. I'll come back and get you. She said, no, it's all right. But I'm going over here to the Patee House Museum in St. Joseph, Missouri, because, as you all probably know, we have a Support Bikers ride coming up next Sunday, in fact, March 9th. And they have an actual map of the Pony Express trail where the markers are at. Skip with Skip's Ride, KCMO. Him and I found two of the markers a couple of weeks ago on a ride, and then we kind of cut it short because it was getting late. I was going to ride the bike over here, but it's supposed to be 50 something degrees tomorrow, and it was 30 degrees this morning. I don't know what the temp is right now. 37 degrees. Yesterday it was 70 degrees. And well, we'll wait till tomorrow. Maybe I can leave early in the morning and on the bike and find a couple of more markers for this ride. And I might do a little sightseeing or whatever. It's kind of nice to get out and drive around in the truck when it's not a work truck. So we'll get on over here and maybe I'll show you a couple of things in the museum if I get to go in. I don't know what the admission is, but I guess we'll find out. They're not open on Sundays, so that's why I'm coming over on Saturday. Yeah, you ever get behind someone that's, you know, like 5 under the speed limit and get frustrated, and then you think, you know what? I'm not in a hurry. Actually saving me a little fuel mileage. Yeah, we're almost up here. Those Prince Albert tins that you've seen there, the old barn that we had on the farm, there was a bunch of Prince Albert tins nailed up on the, up high about 8 feet on a board or slat when you first walked in there. Well, I didn't have my good camera. I just took a few clips there. If you guys enjoyed that. If you ever get up around St. Joe, that's really neat in there. They have a lot of displays. So there's actually 3 floors that you can go through. The 3rd floor has like the hotel rooms and stuff that people used to stay in. The 4th floor is closed off, so I don't know. I don't think there's apartments there. They just have it closed off. Well, that was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed that little excursion adventure. I've got one other place to stop at. Place called the Fort. They actually sell hats. I gotta see if they got any black straws. So, hope y'all are having a good day, and I've got some more research to do. If you're in the Kansas City, St. Joe, Kansas area, Kansas, Missouri area, go to supportbikers.com. I do have an event plan posted there, and I gotta get over. You can actually register. I'll try to leave a link down in the description for that. Wait a minute, I gotta go this way. I'm lost up here. So anyway, y'all have a good day. Have a good weekend. Say hi to a stranger. Thank a veteran. If you get a chance, go to the Patee House Museum. That was really awesome. I really enjoyed that. It's only $8. What is that? That's not even a dozen eggs, everybody. Say bye.